I really enjoy this internship because it gives me an opportunity to be like, while I'm in school, I can also be discovering what it is I want to do after school. I was literally in the middle of like a semester and I was like, I'm actually gonna go to like a different college and I'm gonna go marine biology.
One of the awesome things about doing work with Harbor WildWatch is learning outside and hands-on experiences, doing work at like beach surveys where you get to learn about all of the animals with everyone and see all of the life. And I really like how we are encouraged to ask questions about everything.
This internship is way different from when I'm taking my biology and chemistry classes. I feel like I'm a hands-on learner. It's just like so much easier to remember the animals and to actually be able to like see them on the beach and like identify them than by looking at my textbooks.
I have had different opportunities to explore different roles and interests. Today would be an example. I'm an admin intern, so I'm in the office most of the time, and through the beach walk I'm able to explore the more conservation and science and data collecting aspect of what Harbor WildWatch does. This internship has differed from other learning environments because it offers a more hands-on experience and also direct interaction with the general public, which I think prepares us for real-world jobs more so than a classroom does.
Yeah, see that? That is its proboscis shooting out of its face, which is terrifying. Oh yeah, that was perfect.
So I've gained a lot of unique skills in the internship of Harbor WildWatch versus being in a classroom. One of them was interpretive skills, like talking to a group of people and to get the community kind of engaged as well instead of just like talking at people. Talking like with people.
I'm working on how to educate people and interact with people, and I really like involving where people are at and taking them to higher levels of knowledge, like asking them what their favorite sea animal is in the tanks and then telling them more about that animal.
The grant writing and education aspect of it is really interesting to me, and I think it helps me hone down on what I want to do post-grad more. This experience has influenced my future career goals and career interests because I'm very interested in working in nonprofits and public service in general, but I wasn't sure where exactly in all of that I wanted to go. This sparked my interest in marine science and environmental education because even though I'm an English major, I think that there's a heavy intersection between science and the humanities because science is not easily digestible to the general public, and people who have degrees in communications, English, or other humanities can help translate that and make that information more accessible to the public.
I really enjoy this internship because it gives me an opportunity to be like, okay, like while I'm in school, I can also be discovering what it is I want to do after school. So I feel like I've learned more working than I've learned in class, honestly. I feel like it's made a huge difference to just be able to be in the water and see these animals and hold them, and I feel like I'm more like connected to the ocean than I was before. I was literally in the middle of like a semester of like an online class and I was like, I'm actually gonna go to like a different college and I'm gonna go marine biology.
I've always kind of struggled with what I want to do in my career, and I've been thinking that this is really something that I might want to do in my future. I really like doing research and I really like science education. I think environmental education is really important, and what I really love about Harbor WildWatch is we get to do a little of both. So I really am enjoying this job, and I'm learning that I think I really want to do a mix of environmental education and research like this. So kind of just exactly this. Like I would really be happy to do this forever.